Guys, can someone please tell Zande to come back? Like, yo, it's not the same without them. Like, I really miss Zande. Someone tell Zande to come back. Yes, I did my nails for my birthday month, look, and my hands are just going everywhere. But yeah, I did my nails, guys. It's birthday, I'm here 26 March, guys, so I had to at least try and get myself together. I need to go wax now because hello everyone, welcome to another video. Welcome to another video, you guys. Today I am playing another playlist for you guys. Hello. And this is one of the playlists that just gets me, you know, activated for the day, for life, for just anything. If I'm just like not about anything, like if I'm just waking up and I'm like, yo, I pull this one out or the other one, and to be activated for life, guys. It's our ride throughout the day. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
reaching beyond the skies, running deep, stretching wide. Perfect love realized, here with you. Never stop this for you, but never let go, never let go. Oh, it's more than just words, love beyond my control, out of control. This is real love, this is real love. So this is real love, this is real love. Oh. Pulling me closer and closer, holding my heart till the very end. Jesus, I'm found in your freedom.
Hope you guys, wow, it's done. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please comment down below, tell me what you think. Like if you like the video, share it if you want other people to see it, you know.